Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Xgene and Proteinx. In this tutorial video, I'll explain how to crop any image in the same size and also how to adjust brightness and contrast of this image and how to organize it by using PowerPoint. For example, I have this image and I want to crop this image in different the different part of this image, and I want to make 4 or 5 different cropped picture in the same size. So for that, what you have to do, you have to first right click and then crop. Alright, so let's assume I want to pick one part from here. Alright, so see here there is one format option, so you have to click this format and after that you see there are the height and width, there is something is showing here, so you have to click this one and then one pop-up window will appear here and you see here the height and width of this image, this cropped image. So if you want to make it square, so you can do it accordingly. So for that, before doing that, you have to you don't need to select this one. Okay, so just click this one. So by default it already selected, so before that you have to deselect it, and then for example I would like to make it height and width 2. Right, so now it is square, it will be square automatically, and then select this one, lock aspect ratio, then it makes the square, and the square is 2 and 2. If you make it 1.5, if you want to make it 1.5, so you can do it accordingly. You can, if you want to make it more than that, you can also you can do it, no problem. So right, and then outside you click once, then you see these pictures already, one part already selected. Okay, so let's do in the another part, crop. Let's do in this part. Right, so you see here this is little bigger, so make it little small. Now it's almost 2, but not exactly 2. So for that you have to make it, deselect it and make it 2. This is as well, you can make it 2. So after that you can select it on, then very proper shape of these two, the both the ratio should be the 2 and this is the proper square actually. Then click outside, so you get these 2 pictures the same size. And after that, now what we have to do, just click here and hit the format, is already clicked, and hit compress pictures, this one. After that you can click this one. Okay, then again this compress pictures, this, then okay, right? So now these pictures you get it. So by this way you can crop any image in a different size, different square, from different part of the image, many images you can make it. So after that you can also make it, you can change the contrast and brightness. So how can you do that? For that you have to click these pictures and then you should hit the format again and then corrections. So when you click the corrections, you'll get one window, and after that there is one option, picture correction options. So hit this one, then you will get another window that is exclusively for brightness and contrast. So now you see here there are two options, brightness and contrast. So you can increase this brightness. So if you think this is little dark, so you can increase a bit. See, this brightness is increasing. Right? You see, this before the pictures was this looks like this, that much dark. Now it is bright. The brightness is little higher than the previous one. And also you can change also, if you want the contrast, you can change also contrast. But normally don't need to change the contrast. Only the brightness you can increase a little bit. That's it. Okay guys, after that you can save it. That's it. Alright, so thank you guys. I hope this video will be helpful.